know, sometimes nature's scary moments can produce some of nature's best. A little stream called the floodwaters, a little waterfall. It goes from right back there. Starts from right down there, just behind this bush, goes down there and all the way down. Pretty cool if you ask me. It's kind of soothing. You know, just a bit downstream a little bit, not too far. There's the little waterfall down there, but just a little bit of a waterfall-ish. Pretty cool, pretty soothing. I like it. Standing on top of a rock in this little river. There's the feet. It's not that deep. It's deeper down there at the bridge. Another cool little area. Still spectacular. It's starting to get a little bit deeper. And you got that little puddle, I guess you can call it, right here. Yeah, nothing too spectacular. Water's starting to calm down here until we get to this little bridge area. You got that little thing, plus my bike. You got this little bit. And it goes under the bridge. I kind of wonder what's making it stop and start going up. But yeah, it's wrist deep down here. Say this is the other side of the bridge. Now it's kind of getting murky. Can't see much. But yeah, this goes all the way down to this little drain pipes. Right here it starts getting a little bit better. It's kind of calm. You got this little stir up here, a little waterfall right there. And it just starts, and it goes into this little storm drain. Pretty nice. But yep, that's where it ends. It goes down in there, way down in there. Even though nature may have its beautiful moments, it still has some destructive times. Just take a look at this tree that got knocked over, and down goes my bike. Yeah, just look at this big old maple tree. Snapped right at the root. Down in there. I don't know if it was struck by lightning or something, but there's some. Looks like it got burnt at the bottom. I think it might hit this far deep, but yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video.